How to fix Powkiddy RGB20S not charging. Fix 1. Check the charging port. Ensure you re-plugging into the TC port, not the OTG port. The TC port is for charging while the OTG port won't work for this. Fix 2. Use the correct cable. Use the Type A to Type C cable provided in the box. Type C to Type C cables will not charge your Powkiddy. Double-check the cable type if it's not working. Fix 3. Try a different cable and check the charger. If the right cable isn't working, try another Type A to Type C cable. Some cables may be faulty, so testing another can help. Use a charger with low wattage like a 5W charger. High-watt chargers may not work well with the device. You can also charge through a USB port on a computer or an extension cord. Fix 4. Look for the charging LED. A LED light should appear when charging begins. If you don't see the light, recheck your connections and charger.